welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. We are kicking off my 2021 summer decorating series with today's video. We're going to be working on my kitchen today, and I have plenty more summer decorating videos coming up. So make sure you press that subscribe button if you are new here. That way you get notified every time I post. Today's video is also very exciting because it's in collaboration with my sweet friend Shanti here on YouTube. I'm going to have her channel and her video linked down below. I love her. I have collabed with her plenty times in the past, and she's also going to be decorating for summer today. I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself here.
Hi everyone, my name is Shanti from Shanti's Lifestyle. On my channel, I have a lot of different content from cleaning, organization, cooking, hauls, some decorate with me's, basically anything that pertains to being a woman, wife, and a mother. After you're done watching this beauty's video, I'd love it if you head over to my channel to check out my video and hopefully subscribe if you like what you see. If you do decide to stop by, please let me know down in the comments. Hope to see you there. Bye!
Shanti is seriously amazing. She is so genuine and such a sweetheart. So please check out her video. Once you are done here, you're gonna get double the summer decorating motivation from us today. And she is also amazing at decor, you guys. I am always in love with what she does. But anyway, I am just starting off by completely wiping down my kitchen. I actually went ahead and cleared off my countertops completely. All of my appliances, everything. That way I could just give it like a deep scrub. So I'm just using my Grove Collaborative all-purpose spray and wiping down everything in the kitchen before I get started decorating.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
If you are new here, I just wanted to take a second to say hi and welcome and introduce myself. My name's Tristina and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys. I post all sorts of content relating to motherhood and homemaking, so decor, cleaning, cooking, day in the life, basically everything that has to do with being a mom and a homemaker. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, it would mean so much to me if you'd press that subscribe button, and make sure you introduce yourself in the comments down below as well, because I truly love getting to communicate with you guys and getting to know you. I love seeing familiar names pop up on videos and everything like that. But it is time to start decorating, so I'm just starting on both sides of my stove. I always just layer some cutting boards and a muffin tin and stuff like that on this side. I just love the look that it gives. And then I'm going to use this little mango tray to put my utensil holder on there, as well as my flour. When it comes to decorating for summer, I love to just keep it light and bright. I like to add some lemon decor in there for that like bright pop of yellow, and I like to add greenery everywhere, just again trying to keep it light and bright. So to give the side of the oven that pop of yellow, I went ahead and took these little measuring spoons that I have that are in the shape of a lemon. I'm honestly not sure where I got these. It was either Target, Dollar Spot, or Walmart last summer. I want to say Walmart, but I'm not positive. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some jute string around them and tie it to the top of my flour canister, just to again add in that little yellow pop over here on this side of the kitchen.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without.
So on the opposite side, I am again taking a cutting board just to help layer, and then I'm going to make a little floral arrangement with some Family Dollar floral picks, as well as some Dollar Tree floral picks that have like a little hint of yellow in them. And I'm just going to make this kind of like a little lemonade station. I don't really have anything that I need to utilize on this side of the oven, so I got a little bit more creative on this side. Fun fact, I actually really struggle with making any kind of floral arrangements ever. seriously struggle with it. I can never get them to look good. So there's that, but I do like the way that this turned out.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not with.
I almost always have a candle in the middle of my stovetop, so I have this one from Dollar General that I just went ahead and layered with a little Target Dollar Spot wreath to give that little extra touch.
I just don't know what to do if you go.
Moving on to my tiered tray, I've been keeping this in my kitchen lately, so I am just starting by putting bigger pieces in the back of my tiered tray. That's what I always do, just to kind of fill it up. Mine goes in the corner so you don't actually see the back, so I just kind of put some greenery and like a vase in the back just to really fill it up. And then I'm taking this little cutting board from Target and layering a little sign from Dollar General in front of it. These little lemon measuring cups you can get at Dollar General this year, but I think I got mine at Walmart last year. I actually ended up with 2 sets because I didn't realize I had one from last year. And then I'm going to put my coffee pot next to my tiered tray, so I decided to make the top part kind of a little bit of like a coffee theme, I guess. So I'm just adding my cream and sugar done pieces up there, and then I'm going to add some lemons, of course, and inside of the cream I'm going to add some greenery. I love having something hang down on my tiered tray, whether it be beatery or greenery. I don't know, I just love the way it makes it like filled up when you hang something down from the top tier. And then I have these cute little measuring spoons from Hobby Lobby that I'm also going to go ahead and pop out of that little cream.
And I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
So the last area I have to decorate in the kitchen is just this little shelf here. My mom gave this to me, so I'm assuming she got it off of Amazon. I get questions on this all the time, but I have not been able to find it actually on Amazon since then. I will try to find it, and if I can, I'll link it, but I never have luck. So the bottom part I always have a lot of fun decorating with. So I'm just adding in a this hanging plant that I got from Target. It's from the Magnolia line. And then this little, I don't know why I cannot think of words this morning, you guys. This little hand towel is from Hobby Lobby. It's just black and white, and I love the prints of it. And then I'm going to take this cute little sign from Dollar General that says, "The kitchen is the heart of the home," with the lemon theme. It is just perfect for that area, and hang that in the middle. I always have so much fun decorating the bottom with these hooks. I kind of use it as like a pegboard and decorate it in that sense. But when it comes to the top, I struggle so hard. So if you guys have any ideas of what I could put in the actual little cubbies, please leave your ideas down below. I'm just going to go ahead and put my favorite cookbook, the Magnolia Table Volume 2, on one side. And then the other side, I am taking a rolling pin and just adding some lemons in there. And I don't know, I was just kind of winging it. I love the way the bottom turned out. Top, I don't necessarily love. So if you have any ideas, please let me know.
Really doing nothing, that's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you.
So after I swept and mopped, I'm just going to go ahead and add this new little throw rug I got from Target. I am obsessed with it, you guys. I'm putting this little grip thing underneath it, but it ended up being too big, so I tried folding it to put it underneath it, and since then I have just completely removed it because it wasn't working very well. But luckily, this one actually doesn't move around too much, so I don't really need it over here. I do also have this cute little lemon pillow that I'm going to go ahead and throw on my bench. I actually got this from a home decor subscription box that has since closed down. But here is the before of the kitchen when nothing was in there, and the after. I love the way it turned out. It is just so like bright and fresh in here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some motivation, some inspiration, and please don't forget to check out Shanti's video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you.